Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks. Text to path problem. I've never had a problem with it, and you can see I misspelled path for a reason. I'm going to go text the path and put it on the path. And somebody said, well, when they try to correct the spelling, it messes it up. Well, I've never found that to be true unless they're trying to do it like this. If you take this now, go to object and break the text apart, then grab the text and go right here to your text editor and don't put 9, put path, and hit OK. See how it messed it up? Well, the other way to do it, and because you have to do it while it's on the path, it's really pretty simple and you got to think about it. All you have to do is get your text tool and pick that and then move it to that and then type P. And you've got text to path. And this would work. Let me back up, change it. Wow. That really, okay, there we are back. Let's change the font to something else. I got to click on the font. Let's go Arial Black. So I've still got it misspelled, but if I get my text tool and click on it and just highlight it and hit P, it stays there and works. So you could edit almost all the text. And let's just try that. Let's try selecting all that, and let's just type in Doug. See, it still changes it. And it will keep, you can just keep writing and writing and writing all the way around. Anyway, I hope that answered their question, and thank you for watching.